Hello guys, so today we'll be looking at how to build this very well designed broker, as you can see, but for investment, a crypto investment broker. As you can see, it has different kind of balances. It has the Bitcoin balance, the Ethereum balance, the Tron balance, the Doge balance, the Bitcoin balance, the USDT balance, BNB balance, and so on and so forth. So it is not just your normal day-to-day broker that you see that just has one balance. This one from the admin also, as you can see here, you can control all of these balances. It is a very vitally made Bitcoin broker investment website, and we are going to be going straight into how to build it today. First of all, let's look at what we have at the front. So we'll call the name of this template end mode. So let's look at the front. Let's look at how beautiful and how professional it was made. The front. This is what we have for the user dashboard. Very good. And this is what we have for the admin dashboard. So we're going straight into building it. Like I used to say, the very first thing you need, one of the first things you need when you want to build, you want to take your website live, or you want to build a website, your cPanel, you need basically your hosting, your domain together. You can get any kind of panels. You can get an H panel, you can get an AA panel, but you need the combination of your hosting service. You need a combination of your domain also to get your site online. Now, the very first thing you need, for the sake of learning, and if this is the first time you're doing something like this, you can get a cPanel. You can get from Namecheap, you can get from Nigerian hosting providers too. You can get from them. But the first thing we are going to do now, I always break my processes down to three. The first is uploading, the second is your database connection, uploading of a database, and so on and so forth, and the last is editing. Now the editing consists of editing what is already in the script to what you want it to look like. Now the very first thing I'm going to be doing is to go to our file manager. Go to our file manager, we'll go to our public HTML, we'll upload this. So let's go to very good. So like we do when we are uploading our file, we go and create our database. So come here. First of all, let's close these tabs. Let's close these tabs. Add refresh on this. All right. So add refresh on this, and this too. Add refresh on this. Add refresh on this and this too. So come here, check our file. It's uploading. We'll come back here and click on MySQL. You can just search for database wizard, which is where we want to click. So we'll click on database wizard to create a database. So let's call this dbn mode or demo db, or just do that. Then copy what you just typed here. Next step, then paste what you just typed. Also copy this one, database name, copy the whole thing, put it in the password, then create your user. Very good. So you come here, you click on all privileges, and you click on next step. Very good. So let's go and check on our file. Okay, our file is done uploading. We'll go back to our file manager. We extract this. Very good. Always remember to always show hidden file, no matter the kind of script you are using. But normally on pure PHP scripts, you don't really need it, but always just remember to show hidden file. So I'm moving into our public HTML now. move to the public HTML. Then we'll go to look for our config. We are going to be connecting in through here, so that's con edit. So remove whatsoever we see there before. I'll turn it to remember, this is what we are pasting here. This database now, this is what we are pasting here now. So paste, replace, and click on save changes. Very good. Now go to the same place and go to our main menu. I will click on PHP admin. So we are trying to upload our SQL now, but how do we get our SQL? Let's look at our SQL in this file, the SQL. So we click inside our folder and we download this database.sql. So this one is open. So we have now this cPanel. I've used it for a lot, creating a lot of website and uploading script. Now it is much now, so I have to look for the database we just created right now. So come to look for it. I think this dbm mode or demo. So that's what we just created now. So we import this, click on imports. Remember, we just downloaded an SQL file. We'll go to download. I just downloaded this. So click on import. So wait for it to upload. While I'm waiting for it to upload, can come here, check for whatsoever we need to do. Okay, so far so good, it's looking good. I don't think we have to do anything here. So I think the other place you have to do something be in this SQL. So let's wait for it to upload. But first of all, let's see what we have done. So far so good. Come to our public. So we'll come to the main menu of our cPanel. This is our domain and this is where we are uploading on. So we can click on it. Very good. So our front end is already loading. Based on what we have done already, all this front end is already loading up. Let's wait for this to load. Let's wait for this to upload. Alright, so very good. We'll go to settings. Yeah, always remember when you want to get your admin details, this is where you get it from. But we also look at that. You come here, you edit all of these things to your own link. Now our own link now on this place is all demo. So put the all demo. So remove the last slash. Can name this. You can say let's name it all demo. So you can come here also. Hello. Okay, so you can come here also and name all of these things. Just name it, edit it to what your own personal details and go. So we have gotten to this part. Let's see. Let's register. Okay, this is how our login page looks like. Let's try to make a registration. Okay, so we'll go to call it that's username. Okay, let's use this. Username, let's remove this. Okay, that's optional. And on this script you can set what you want your this thing to be like. What's it called? What you want your referral bonus to be like, the amount you want on it, or the percentage you want on it, or so on and so forth. You can set it on it. So let's see if our PHP mailer is active. Okay, so this is 0 minutes ago, as you can see. 0 minutes ago. 0 minutes ago. So this is the logo. So you can put something, you can choose to put something that's more colorful. you have taken a bold step registering with us. As simple as that. These are some of the things that make things go into spam, but this is just as simple as it can get. Welcome. Now as you can see, this one didn't go to spam, it went straight to the inbox, just straight to the inbox. So let's return, let's log in. So click on sign me in to get access to our beautiful, very good, our beautiful dashboard. Very good. So this is our dashboard, our user dashboard. Now let's check on how we can see our admin and how we can log into our admin. So we'll come here with our link. This can be user, so it's your link /uadmin. Very good. So click on it. Very good. So this was already logged in from the preview, so you can choose to log out so that I can show you where you get the admin details from. Now this is it. You go to your SQL, you see your admin here. On the admin table, you see the email and the password. These ones are not hashed, so it's straightforward. So this is your email here. This is your email. You click on your email. The password is 126 123 which is here. This is what I'm talking about. So click on login. So you can also choose to change it from here too. So you choose to change these things from here too. So it takes us to the dashboard. Close on that. Come to settings. See, always check on these things when you see what the other things you can change. So you can, if you have not changed what's the code by now, you can change this. You can change the email. You can change all of these things. But everything is working very good right now on the site. If you follow what I've done, and if your hosting does not have little errors, your hosting can cause errors to your script too. So if your hosting does not have those things, you are good to go. So if you follow my steps one by, you are good to go. So a very important disclaimer: this video is strictly for educational purposes. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please do like and share. If you want to get access to this script, you can use the file below. You can use the link below this video in the description, or you can send me a direct message on my WhatsApp. Thank you very much.